GSP. Cheers.
What's the filling inside?
For the strawberry, ma'am, strawberry cream cheese. For the lemon, lemon cream cheese naman. For the matcha, matcha with mochi. For the red bean po yung loob niya. Oh.
Are you the one that bakes
It's not me, ma'am, but I franchise the brand from Singapore, ma'am.
from Singapore? I see.
Yung sa inyo ba, ma'am, puro bilog ba yung sa inyo, ma'am? Or... sige po, ma'am. Sige, sure. Lemon. Muyo. It's a Singaporean bake shop, ma'am. I saw something na it's not common here, so I thought there was a potential here din.
Makes everybody curious how the
Yes, ma'am. Then they're very soft and fluffy as well. And then most of my item are not sweetened. So we focus more sa healthier option.
healthier.
Healthier option.
Are you on Facebook?
Facebook, ma'am. Even Instagram, TikTok,
It's called Muyu.
Muyo. Okay. For our flyer. SP lemon chia, dalawang matcha. Yes, we do same day delivery as well, ma'am. Ano?
You don't have a physical store yet?
Right now, don't have po, ma'am. 740 lang lahat, ma'am. Ay, balikan, ano na kayo, qualified na kayo for the free cake, ma'am. Ikaw din, ma'am, pag naka 600 ka, may free cake kayo. Can I leave one outside, ma'am? Kasi may cake din naman eh, para...
You leave the strawberry na lang.
Strawberry, okay.
Kasi is for her.
Okay, strawberry.
The one that sugar free is for me. I'll eat it now.
Okay.
And I'll also eat the
Wala na natira sa box, ma'am.
isang yung
Labas ko rin, ma'am.
labas mo na lang is fine.
Wala na laman yung box, ma'am. That's okay lang, Luwag na tuloy, ma'am.
Kakainin namin, we'll go order for
Sige po. Plastic lang kita, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In-red din yan, ma'am. Pero ito, sama-sama na to sa isang plastic, ma'am. Sige po, ma'am. Then your cake pa po, ma'am. Last 3 na lang yung cake ko, ma'am. Until supplies last lang kasi. Here's your, tapos yung box. May ganito ko na lang din to, ma'am. Para you can easily handle it.
There you go. Pero okay lang kasi.
By any chance, do you have 40 pesos?
40.
Oh, 40.